This is a gift. I know it doesn't feel like a gift, but it is a gift for those of us who are part of Best of Us investors. We invested $668,000 on May the 1st of 2025, and we're up over 100%. We were up as high as 125%, but we're down now. It's coming down, and now it's coming down even further, and this is a gift. And what I mean by that is the market can't just constantly go up. It's got to retreat, and we've got to adjust. We've got to take some profits and reinvest where opportunities are now presenting themselves. This is not about fundamentals. This has nothing to do with stocks raising revenue or increasing revenues and increasing earnings and increasing margins. No, this has to do with oil. That's all it has to do. Brent oil price, that is going to be what is going to control where the market is going from here and how long this goes on, because we have a shipping problem and adjacent to Iran, who can blow up the ships that come through this narrow Hormuz passage, and that is affecting the price of oil. In fact, the ships are sitting idle right now. So rather than watch the stock market, watch the ships. When the ships stop moving, the market will rebound. But until they do, they won't. The market will continue to go down. We need to watch the oil price. Will it settle at around $80 a barrel? If it does, things will kind of even out. But if it goes up to $100 a barrel, that increases inflation, that increases cost of doing business, so the market will continue to go down. Then we need to watch the 10-year rates. If the rates rise, the stocks will fall. That will give us our indication of movement. It has nothing to do with fundamentals. It has nothing to do with earnings reports. We have seen that in the last couple of days. NVIDIA and Coherent, tremendous earnings, but the price of the stock is going down because of price of oil, because of fear, because of volatility. My market has a very high beta. I'm down 6%. The S&P and the Dow and the Nasdaq are down 2%. I have to learn to live with that. That's okay, because when the Dow is up 2%, I'm up 6%. And I think the overall trend over the next year is up, so I'm okay with that. So I have to watch the price of oil. Just go check the gas station, see if it's going up, see if it's going down. So what am I buying? Where are the opportunities? Well, I use AI, and I've used AI since the first of last year, and AI gives me projections of what the prices of my stocks are going to. I follow about 40 of them, and I have some wonderful opportunities today, and I'm sure in the next couple days. Let me share some of them with you. My Samantha and Bart tell me that based on today's price, what the stock price will be on 2027, January of 2027. APP, it's saying it will be up 71%. IONQ, 97%. KVYO, 97%. MNTN, 163%. UPST, 98%. RBRK, 137%. Do those prices have any credibility? Well, this is the same Samantha who gave me 100% return on my portfolio since May of 2025. So yeah, I put some confidence in them. Why are these returns so high? Because the market has pushed the price down and raised them. Now, is this a recommendation for you to go buy these stocks? By no means. You need to know what they do. You need to know why those numbers are the numbers they are. And you'll find that on my cheat sheet. You'll find a podcast, 15 to 20 minutes, on every one of those stocks that will justify those numbers so that you have confidence and you know what you own and why you own it. If you do anything different than that, you're a damn fool. If you just listen to a talking head who says, buy Cheesecake Factory because I see the parking lots full and I like their food, that means absolutely nothing because it has nothing to do with their profits. They can have a full parking lot and they can serve the best cheesecake in the world, but if they don't bring profits to the bottom line, they're going to go out of business. Just look at Red Lobster. I mean, the parking lot was full, but they filed bankruptcy because they mismanage their money. You need to understand the fundamentals. And as I said, right now, the fundamentals are out the window, but the buying opportunity is here because of the price of oil. If it settles at 80, we'll settle. If it goes to 100, we'll go down. But that's a buying opportunity because that will be solved. Hell, we've been at war with Russia for 2 years, 3 years. We have wars constantly all over the world. Just go look. I mean, some of you don't remember Vietnam. We lost that sucker. You don't remember Iraq. You don't remember Afghanistan. We've constantly been at war, and normally we lose them. But the stock market continues to go up if you know what you own. So come for a 14-day free trial. Look at these stocks, APP, IONQ, KVOY, MNTN, QPST, and RBRK, and learn what they do and why they make good money and will continue to make good money. And then you too will double your portfolio over the next 12 months. I'm Kerry. I'm a retired financial advisor. I'm here to make you rich.